యాజ్ అ సీనియర్ సివిల్ సర్వెంట్గా కొత్తగా జాయిన్ అయిన సివిల్ సర్వెంట్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు, లేదా సివిల్ సర్వీసెస్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళకి కానీ మీరేం చెప్పదలుచుకున్నారు?
సివిల్ సర్వీసెస్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళలో మీరు కష్టపడి ఫోకస్తో ఒక గోల్ పెట్టుకుని చదువుకుని ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఎందుకంటే సివిల్ సర్వీసెస్ ఇస్ అన్ ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ కెరియర్, ఇట్స్ అ పబ్లిక్ సర్వీస్. బట్ దీన్ని పబ్లిక్ సర్వీస్గా భావిస్తే మాత్రమే మీరు ఫ్రస్ట్రేట్ కాకుండా ఉంటారు. అలా కాకుండా వేరే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఏం పెట్టుకున్నా, పవర్ ఎంజాయ్ చేద్దాం, లేకపోతే మనీ చేసుకుందాం, లేకపోతేనేమో హ్యాపీ లైఫ్ స్పెండ్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నట్లయితే సర్వీస్కి ట్రై చేయొద్దు. సర్వీస్కి ట్రై చేసేవాళ్ళు దిస్ ఈజ్ అ పబ్లిక్ సర్వీస్, ఇట్స్ అ గ్రేట్ గిఫ్ట్ in life. It will be very fulfilling if you take this as a service, and service is a public, not as a boss of the public. That is incidental. If you people respect you, కలెక్టర్ గారు ఆయన పెద్ద మనిషి అంటే అది వేరే విషయం. బట్ కలెక్టర్ నేను పవర్ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తానని మీరు సర్వీస్లో చేరేటట్లయితే దయచేసి మరొకసారి ఆలోచించుకోండి. రెండవది ఏమిటంటే, డోంట్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ యువర్ ఎనర్జీ, because some people feel so depressed if they don't make it, because 10 lakh people are trying, 1000 people are getting selected,
yes.
100 people into the IAS. So this is not the end of the world.
Yes.
The world has so many opportunities. So in fact, if I were to start my life all over again, maybe I will still be a civil servant, and I have had a very enriching career, I have had a very diverse career. So I am fortunate, I will again choose this course. Certainly I will study medicine, because it's a great education, and never I will still go back and study medicine. But so it's a great service. So please do that. Those who are already at the beginning of the service, yes. Those who are youngsters who are at younger, working in the districts as assistant collectors, sub collectors, yes. My appeal to them and my request to them is that please listen to people. Hear them, learn from them, and please be a team player. You may be number one in the team, but you are still, every person counts. Just like every finger in your hand counts. Every member of your team counts. Treat them with respect. Encourage them, inspire them, train them, and learn from them. If you don't do this, you will not, and then have very clear achievable goals, not just be blind servant of what you are told to do. Your collectors will always tell what needs to be done. One of my problems had been, I really did not pay much attention to my bosses. I did what I thought was in the public interest and what really mattered to the people. So I was admired by public, not always liked by my bosses, because they thought I was acting smart, doing what I wanted. But I always advise young men and women, don't lose your idealism. And I consider 3 things to be paramount importance. One is commitment. Commitment not to a political executive, though I am working for a political executive. Your commitment must be to the public good. I always ask myself, is this what I am doing? Is this for good of? Is it common good of the public? People at large. Does it do good to them, or does it harm some people and do good to them? Public good. So commitment to public good. So that is the first C in my view. The C of commitment. The second C is competence. Whatever job is assigned to you, do perform with utmost competence. My way of learning is that what I do when I take a job is, first 1 month I learn what my predecessor has done and what the people in my office do. So I know what my attendant does, how he cleans, which mop he uses. So I know everything of everybody in my office. And then I see what is the strategic direction of the government, of the department, of the minister, of the chief minister, and am I aligned? Is my team aligned in that direction? So that competence you need to build, you have to be at the cutting edge. Third is integrity, corruption free from corruption. Corruption is not just not taking money, but also from it can be corruption in just being dishonest, giving wrong information, false data, manufacturing information. All these is so 3 C's: corruption free, competence, commitment to public good.
Please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
For more interesting videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is Anil Ravipudi. For more videos, please subscribe iDream Media.
Subscribe to iDream.